right guys, check it out. Here we are, demoing the VRide 2. We decided we're gonna have to implement another game.
VRide 2, it's got these rubber
the VRide 2
wheels. It's got this nice graphic on the back. Yeah.
I think it stands for broken arm, yeah. No, broken arm. Riding this, whoever can make it the longest gets to run the machine, loser weed eats.
All right, Bill.
Who goes first?
All right. We gotta just go for it. All right.
He made it 10 feet. 10 feet!
Them Hawthorne boys are back at it again.
2 tries. Y'all heard that? You heard it. Hold on. Confirm. I get 2 tries.
He gets 2 tries.
Whatever.
Oh my gosh, get off that thing. Get off that thing. Get off that thing, Jordan! Where'd you bail at?
That plastic protected.
All right.
You know, I think I've rode a longboard once, but it never was doing this.
All right. To my wife, I love you. To my kids, you're amazing. I do have life insurance, so enjoy, live life to the fullest.
All right. You gotta make it to the double yellow line.
Yeah, let him do this.
Oh my gosh, this is terrible.
Cool.
All right, mad respect to you guys at longboard. So this guy can't do it. Next time we bring our toys out. All right guys, Blake Hawthorne, it's his turf. This is my brother Jordan. We are back yet again, had a little fun. Very embarrassing, but I hope you enjoy. I've got a weed eat now, and he gets to mow.
Oh yeah.
The Scag VRide 2, so we're going to do a full review on it. Also, what we want to do is we want to put it to the test. So all the videos we see, they show you in either really tall grass or seeing how it does on a hill. We picked one of the steepest hills that we actually mow instead of weed eat that we're going to be running it on, and then some really tall nasty weeds to see how it cuts, 1 pass, 2 pass, 3s, whatever it takes.
Yeah, so currently we mowed this hill with a Gravely 52-inch pro stance. We're only able to do about half the hill because the hill's so steep, our mower starts spinning out. We've tried it vertically, we've tried it horizontally, and our machine just can't handle it. So we're gonna see how the Scag tests up.
He forgot to load up the weed eater. Win! Alright guys, so we just put it to the test on the hill from a spectator's view. I saw some things I liked, some things I didn't like. Overall I probably would have given it like a B- on this hill just for the way it started sliding. But guys, this is a very steep hill. I mean, I'm no mathematician, but I'd say it's probably like a 45-degree angle. So it's pretty steep. All in all, it did pretty good. What did you think? You were operating it.
So yeah, this is as steep a hill as any that we maintain, that we try to use a zero turn on, and it would climb the hill no problem. It also actually hugged the hill pretty good when I mowed it horizontally whenever I was coming up the hill. So if you try mowing a hill, down the hill and horizontally,
vertically, horizontally.
So like going down,
you trying to get a checker pattern right off the bat?
Yeah, well I'm just saying like that angle isn't gonna work on any machine, and I tried it on this machine, it still didn't work. But going kind of up the hill horizontally, it hugged the hill. Like I was sliding off that back deck that I was standing on, and it was still hugging the hill. Yeah. So I was pretty impressed with that.
It's kind of misleading. The hill not only falls down this way, but it falls down that direction too.
Down.
So two different degrees.
Which is a good hill for us to test it on.
Yeah. So I don't know. Let's go put it in some tall grass and see what it does. My turn. You get to eat it.
So it has 11 hours on the machine. I'm hoping the blades just aren't sharp because dude, someone beat these blades.
The blades are dull?
I think so.
I mean, they look like dull.
Oh no, I
that's
barely
like-
did that. Yeah.
There's like some big rocks. Dadgummit. Should we go sharpen the blades?
Not my GoPro.
Alright guys, remember when you're loosening these blades that it's reverse threads, so you want to go to the tighten position.
I'm gonna blast Jordan today for sure. Oh yeah, B&B Lawn Care talked about where the muffler's placed being very inconvenient for changing that last blade. Because of where it's located. You have to have a swivel head to get into it.
Are you kidding me? Really? Anybody have a specialty tool for this? Alright guys, check it out. A little frustrated I couldn't get the blades off. Didn't have the right tools, and so wasn't able to sharpen the blades like I was hoping to. And so I brought it up to my yard where I've used my last 2 demo stand-ons at. You know, see how it does. It's about equal, you know, competition. Blades aren't that dull. They're just dull enough that I wasn't getting a fair comparison on some, you know, tall grass earlier. So I'm gonna put it on a lawn that is just like any of our other properties we would be going and servicing, and probably what the blades would look like after a day or 2, you know, out in the field being used, and just see how it does. So let's get at it. Alright guys, just finished up the Scag VRide 2 on my lawn, and I cut a lot of grass off, so you can kind of see right here how much grass I actually cut off. I think I did the 2/3 rule instead of the 1/3 rule, but you know, other than that, it was pretty good. I went pretty fast on this just to see if I would tear anything up, do some major gouge. Didn't. I did have some scalps, but it's areas that I scalp anyways, just because I haven't been back out here to level up my yard since I put in my irrigation system. I think that, you know, overall 2 passes, had a nice smooth cut after the first one. I just had a lot of grass left on the lawn, so I went ahead and cut it again to get rid of those clippings instead of having to bag it. But here's some of those scalp spots I was telling you about. That's not really a big deal. Like I said, it's kind of normal right in there till I get some time to fix those areas. And then right in here is kind of a little hump that always a dry spot if you don't lift the deck up. So all in all, you know, VRide 2, I was actually impressed. So after being a little frustrated earlier, I think that's just the blades and that type of weed. We've always have to double cut that stuff, unfortunately, and drop our deck another notch. If we can find something that has a really strong side discharge, get away from the mulching kits, I think we'd see some better results with that. But we're gonna try out a few of those and see what happens. But all in all, Scag, you know, thumbs up. Like it. Brian's Lawn Care, man, I appreciate you telling me to get out here and try this machine. So we'll see in the next few weeks which one we decide to go with.